Hey yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy, a J, a O, a H, a H, a A, a E, a E, a R, a A, a B, a R, a A, a H, a A, a M. And you know what time it is? It's time for that. It's time for that sweet. It's time for that sweet, 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 sweet. Inorganic chemistry. Not that normal chemistry. It's the sweet, sweet, inorganic chemistry. Okay. 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 What? Don't worry. Don't worry about that. Nuh-uh. Uh-uh. What? Connected. Beep, 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 beep. Oh. Yo, we got a chat. Hukun. Whoa. Hud. Hudak Khan. Hey, yo, what's up, gang? Uh. Hello. Is this O level chemistry? What do you mean by that? O level? Is it like 0 level? I would say this is an introductory level in organic chemistry. It's not the high level type sheet. Is that what you mean? Is that what you were asking? Oh, shut off. Okay. Did you just leave the stream? Who the can con? Okay, I haven't even started studying. Let me wait. Where is it? Okay, got him. So, sample calculation. What R must plus 5 plus cation have to exist in have to exist in water? Did I ask that question? No. But the table is a bit different from what they understand the table with ein bisschen. It's a little bit different. I think I should trust the table from my notes from ChatGPT. Bro, you watch ChatGPT? No, dog. I mean, like, are you teaching for Cambridge international exams? I don't know if you're making fun of me, but no. uh, I have an important exam on Wednesday, though. Oh shit, 19th of February. That's like this Thursday. And it's on inorganic chemistry. And guess what? I don't know shit. And I was looking at the notes that some of the students prepared, and maybe I make it. What what? If I move it here now. So, what is this? Open. Zoom, come on. So, mostly +1 S block. Oh, okay, man. No issues. Good luck with your chemistry prep. Uh, but hey, I really appreciate you for checking out the stream. I really appreciate that. Examples: most +1 S block ions. What's the +1 S block ions? I don't know. I don't know. Do I look like someone who knows? Okay. I'll take it. I'll take it. uh, so most +1 S block. So these, right? So they're basically non-acidic, and they're Z squared by R ratio. Z. Whoa. What was Z? Electronegativity. So what is this? Wait, that's electronegativity. What was Z then? Uh, what was Z though? Uh, I forgot what was Z squared by R. What was Z here? Charge. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. So so charge square by r. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm, but wait. I'm still a bit confused on charge. Oh, it depends on the outermost valence electron. Yeah, 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 it does. That's how it's plus one. Okay. Mm, so that's why they are non-acidic, feebly acidic. Okay, okay, okay. I get it. I get it. I get it. But I need ChatGPT down here for a bit. So plus two S and F block elements. What do you mean by F block with plus two? Which of these would be plus two F block elements? One, two, three. That's three. That's three. This is P block, right? So now plus two F block. What would that mean? Sh- Shup Shup Saholk 1828. Hey brother, where you from? I'm from the land of spies, India, and I'm currently right now in Österreich, a country near Deutschland. And if you know history, you know Austria. Yeah, that would be basically where I'm from. We need to plus two F block. What does it mean? Plus two F block. That would mean we need to reach eight valence electrons, and it already has six. So two, right? Right. Is that correct? So three, four, five, six. This one. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm guessing this one, right? 3, 4, 5, 6. It's this one. Oh, or am I wrong? Am I wrong? Am I wrong, bruv? You tell me I'm wrong. Ready? So okay, I'll ask Chat GPT on that part, but before that, just a minute, okay? Just. I just want to do one important task. How do you take it? Okay, that's just plus load. Okay. No, okay, there we go. 54 days. Okay. That's interesting. That is interesting. Darn. Whoa. Okay, there we go. Wait. 5 minutes, yeah. By charm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, dude, my laptop is so slow. What is wrong with you, bro? You good, bro? Just hang on there for 5 more years. That's all I'm asking you, bro. 54. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 54, 54. Okay, I'm done with that. OBS, where's GPT? Another doubt I had was the next row of the table I have nodes is saying most of +2 S and F block ions. I understood what the +2 ions in S block. That's just group 2. But what is the +2 F block? I'm guessing the group 6, but could you explain on that? Good question, and no. No. I really thought that was it. Oh, what is? Oh, F block. That was D block. F block. Verdammt. Verdom. For fucking damn it. That was D block, gang. Where is it? That was D block, gang. So this is F block. Now plus 2 F block. Three, four, five, six. I'm guessing this one, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure. 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 F block consists of lanthanides, actinides. There are two rows shown on the bottom of the periodic table. They're not group six. They're group six is the D block. Okay, okay. What does plus two means? S block and two plus two F block group two metals. Uh, magnesium, calcium, magnesium, calcium. Okay, okay. F block two plus two ions. Some lanthanides that form stable plus two ions. EU. That's here. Uh huh. That's not what I expected. It's not even close to what I expected. We got one simple row. Ow. Ow. My legs. These are two more rows shown at the bottom. ENYB2 plus. What? EN is EU is here. YB. That's here. And SM2 plus. What SM? Where's SM though? Yeah, that's here. What? 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 It's not what I was expecting. So your table is grouping together large, low charge density, but again, I don't know how you know those are plus two charges. I know the valence orbital usually needs 8 electrons, and those plus two charges are usually when the outermost shell. What are these songs, bro? Outermost shell has what? So the metal loses it if it got the chance to be more stable, but I believe the octet rule is not applicable to everything. So, could you let me know how do I notice these? Like the +2 F block elements, how will I know when I see something like U, and from that figure out that it's weakly acidic as part of the table I have in my notes? Do I just learn them by heart, or is there any loophole, or is there any pattern I could recognize from? Where's the 30-minute time checker though? My watch just... I did not tell Siri anything, but this watch... These watches from these companies, they always listen. I can't wait to jailbreak my watch. I can't wait to jailbreak it. Yeah. I can't wait to... Good. You don't want to memorize blindly. You want a pattern first. Oh, why most lanthanides are +3? Okay, which one is lanthanides? Which one is actinides? Lanthanides. Actinides. Okay, okay. This one is actinides. This one is lanthanides. Okay, okay. Sup, Satis. What's up? I don't know if I've seen your name before, but what's up? I appreciate you for checking out the stream, Satis. Or Satis. Undertale game? Well, Satis, it's like if there's an engaging viewer, I will play the game Undertale for 15 minutes. That was like the rule, you know. Yeah, if there's someone who played the game who talks to me, engages in a conversation in the stream, I would play the game Undertale for 15 minutes. That's like the guest 1337i. I just made a game using Unity. Hey yo, what's up? How? What type of game though? And what's up with the? Oh, I forgot the name. You were trying to run an OS. What's up with that? How is it that? How is that going? Lanthanites, F block elements like have outer configurations where they form ions. They lose first the two six electrons. Uh huh. They lose. Engaging, huh? Engaging. Yup. Have you played the game Undertale? Satish? Have you completed the game, or you know? Where am I right now in Undertale? It's been 2 or 3 days since I played it. Come on. Uh, where am I in the game? Did I beat the boss? No. Okay, I'm trapped at a boss. Nope. Okay, I'm guessing you haven't heard of the game. Okay, but it's a really cool game. But I'm doing chemistry, carbon, and its compounds. Ha ha ha. I'm actually doing not doing. I'm actually working for studying for my inorganic chemistry exam, which is on 19th. Are you if you're studying carbon and its compounds, it's organic chemistry? Guess 1337i. It's working. The game? What type of game is it though? You just made a game within 1 day? That's cool. So most land knights form 3 plus, okay. Why do some form 2 plus instead? Now here's the pattern. Some land knights get extra stability if 4F shell becomes half filled, completely filled. These are special stable configurations. Let's check the key ones. European, neutral, 4F7, 6S2, it loses 2 electrons. Blah, 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 what? That is half filled F shell. Very stable. Very stable. Yeah, I mean, in our country, we have chemistry mixed as I'm 15. Oh, okay, okay. You know, when someone comes to my stream asking about something like chemistry, I will assume as they're in college. That's why I assumed that you were in college. But okay, so it's like chemistry, general chemistry. Okay, carbon and its compounds. It's interesting though. Carbon can form 4 bonds maximum. What do you have to study from as part of chemistry? Do you think you could explain a little bit what level or what topic you're taking inside the carbon and its compounds? I'm talking too much, am I? Guess what? There was no timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 6 minutes. Some lanthanides get extra stability if the forest shell becomes half filled. Okay, okay. So 6s2. So half filled 6s2. Samarium, not perfectly half filled, relatively stable compared to neighbors. Lanthanides, default oxidation state. Lanthanides is the one on the top. It's the one on the top. Lanthanides? Yeah, blue one, okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh Boy, the ass like it. This is fully filled F shell. Very stable. I have my boards in 3 days. Like their exams held by the boards, like CBSE. Yeah, bro. I actually took CBSE. How long was it? 4 years ago? Yeah, 4 years ago. CBSE. Okay, held by CBSE. Oh wait, you're 15, so it's like tenth board or ICSE or IGSE, and their main exam after you go for higher education and the school ends. Okay, you have boards in 3 days. That's like Wednesday. 10th. Okay. I remember my. Okay, I'm talking too much, but I remember my 10th boards. The last exam was max, and the next day after boards, it was lockdown. COVID not lockdown. 2 years. Nothing. Not nothing, but I gotta. I would say, don't worry too much. You should study, but don't don't let that bother you, gang. What do you understand from studying? That's what's important. You should get marks, but above that, you should understand what you're learning. That's the important part. Well, says the guy who failed general chemistry 4 times. So don't listen to me. uh, do you need to memorize them? You don't memorize all landmines. You only remember the stable plus two landmines. Okay, so it's better I remember these. So press plus three F block ions. Those are the lanthanides except these three. Now most plus four F block ions. So I'm guessing GUS is the plus four F block ions are part. In carbon and its compounds, we have electron dot structure, IUPAC, and sap saponification, aldehydes, alcohol, ketones, all that shit. But yeah, yeah. Did we have all those in 10th? I don't remember the whole aldehydes and stuff in 10th. Or is it just the number of carbon, like uh 2 carbon, 18, 3 carbon. What was 3 carbon? Met, et, but, tet, pent. Yeah, yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, like that. Okay, okay, okay. It's just the number of carbons and naming. Okay, okay. Electron dot structure. What was that about? What was electron dot structure? I know what my mind is coming up with something, but let me just. Okay, okay. You just draw the outermost electrons. 6 minutes. Covalent bonds. One bond is alkanes, two bonds is alkenes, three bonds is alkynes. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's correct. Then there's like two types of bonds, right? Covalent bonds and ionic bonds. I recently looked up the difference between covalent and ionic. Ionic bonds are where one atom pulls in the electrons from the other one, and covalent is where they share the electrons to have the bond. Still suck at chemistry. There are 58 reactions. Man. Okay, I mean, uh, yeah. There are a lot of stuff to learn, like by heart. But if you think about it, these are stuff that are really happening. Those are happening in real world. Oh man, that's how we try to understand these things by writing them. But yeah, we got yeah. There are some stuff to just by heart, and I used to hate by hearting or memorizing. Okay, this is a good tip. This I should remember the 3-2 stable part of acting. I mean, I love physics and bio. I can do, but nah, man. Uh, I don't know. I used to be a student who liked biology, math, and chemistry. Physics. I would say math is higher than physics, but physics was also there, kinda. What's social science? I mean, now the older I get, I do respect social science. What else is there? Physics, chemistry, then English. Okay, so yeah. Oh, SST, nice. Social studies. Yeah. Right now, I'm doing a bachelor's in biochemistry, and I'm still on my first year. Before, I still haven't started studying biology as part of my course. And my first year for college, yeah, university, is basically chemistry. So before I even start learning biology, I need to learn chemistry. So that's how important chemistry is. So it's hard, but which uni? I'm in a university called JKU. It's in Austria. I tried writing the exam. What's it called? NEET exam, but I failed miserably. Not failed. I passed the exam, but I did not get any good university after NEET. Plus four is uncommon and only seen for a few. Generally, when you see plus four oxidation states in F blood, they're most commonly associated with actinides, not the lanthanides. We separate this cleanly. 5F series. Oh, uh-huh. But it's still F, right? Most common, plus four. So yes, plus four is more characteristic of actinoids. Why did you not fill the others? Most P block cations. Okay. I'm thinking for JEE, but it has huge competition. Yeah, it does have both JEE and NEET. They both have really big competition. Uh, uh, but JEE, IIT is cool. Mm-hmm. Plus four is much more characteristics of actinides. Why actinides show plus four more easily? Thinking about doing SAT and studying abroad, PG. SAT, I heard of this. What is this? Standardized test widely. Oh, okay, okay. I mean, both have their own perks, right? Studying abroad and studying in IITs. At the end of the day, it depends on you. If you learn, if you do your stuff properly, I guess. Yep, both are different experience. I gotta say. I guess I'm not sure because I never studied in IIT or I never passed JEE. Okay, okay. So that's basically the table. What R must the plus pi cation must have to exist in water? Very strongly acidic cations do not exist in water. Why though? Ugh. What's with this sentence of uh, if a cation is too strongly acidic? What is your study time daily? Like how many hours? How many hours though? Just to be safe, I'll say 2 or 3 hours every day. Minimum 2 or 3 hours. But my study time, it's usually around this time. That's one block and like about 5 hours. One block this time. This is a one study block, and maybe the other one would be 5 hours for this one. If a cation is too strongly acidic, it cannot remain as a simple hydrated ion in water because it will react completely with water. If cation is too strongly acidic, when you were in your prime and topper, study time. I don't know. Back in university, back in school, I think I've been 6 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours. Yeah, I've been there. 8 hours. I don't think so. 8 hours, I don't think so. But 6 hours, I think I sat down and learned for 6 hours. Around 6 hours, yep. Oh. But it eats your brain away. 6 hours, hell respect. Yeah, when like it's you do you know when I study for 6 hours, it's like the exam is in about 8 hours, and I got about 7 hours to study. I'd be like, okay, 6 hours. I look at it. Do I pass? Sometimes I do pass, but sometimes I do not pass. Especially example, general chemistry. I did not pass. I did not pass. I passed after 4 tries. So what does very strongly acidic cation mean? A metal cation is acidic because M2 plus H2O, MOH, Z minus 1 plus H plus. That's like the general formula, right? If a cation is true strongly acidic, it cannot remain as a simple hydrated ion in water because it will react completely with water. Okay, that's what you mean. While for a very high charge density ions, they hydrolyze extensively, form insoluble hydroxides, form oxocations, polymerize, precipitate. Yeah, same with energy drinks and sleep deprived. Yo, are you saying your case about energy drinks? Do you? I mean, I also drink a lot of coffee. Coffee. Coffee be like, "Brrr." Coffee be like, yo, bro, I got you, bro. A day. Okay, I think it's my time to take a small break. So let's do beatbox. Beatbox. Beatbox for 10 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. Oh no, what happened to my beatbox? Yes, but I give up, man. I sleep every time I study, but after this exam, I will join gym and a sport to make me busy. Uh huh. Yeah, I mean, when you're studying for an exam, that's the time where you feel like, ah, sleeping at this hour. That's like the best sleep you can get. Beatbox, not beatbox, beepbox, beepbox. It's like a music making software. Not yeah. And I was thinking I could make a beat and add as a background music for my shorts. But I don't know. I'm not a good musician. It's my first time trying this. Beatbox, yeah. Oh, there's nothing up here. Okay, okay. Wait. What was? Oh, that's here. Oh, okay. I get it. Get it. Let's go two. Yeah, let it be there. I'll just let that be there. Tokyo drum. No, standard drum set. Yep. Let's go 5. Feel that. Cello, gotta go. I will study for a bit. I hope I was engaging. Best of luck for your exam. Hey yo. I really appreciate you for checking out the stream, and yeah, all the best on your board exam. Just remember, don't stress yourself, gang. It's all gonna be good. Respect. Bing. Oh, what? Okay. Nah, I'm gonna get rid of this one. Whoa. Whoa, what the fuck? What? Wait. Make it small, bro. What's this one? Sitar, nah. Bagpipe, accordion, rock organ, ukulele. Too nice. I think I should only play with drums. What's this one? Okay, that too. Yeah. Bum 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 bum. Boom 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 boom. Oh wait. Oh, what's zero? Wait, wait, wait. What's zero though? Nah, but I'm getting somewhere, but it's not what I want. Okay, so the number fives, right? That's where it's happening. That's where it's happening. What is this? Synth kick soundtrack? Nah. Buzz saw, steel pans, super saw pad. I checked almost every one of these, but calliope, sex, what? Sax, synth, tenor sax, alto sax, brass, vocal, solo bass. Nah. Solo sopranos. Fiddle. What's fiddle? Bum, 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 bum. Chip wave. I think it's just fucking birds. Spectrum. Bruh. 10 minutes? Okay. Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop. Hundred and two subs. Let's go. Open Claude. Open Claw bot. It's okay. Whoa, what? What's wrong with this? YouTube is crashing out. No, YouTube ain't crashing out. Oh man. So what they meant by very strong acidic cation does not exist in water is it does not exist as cationic form. Uh it just forms some sort of complex hydrolyzed. Okay. Y plus 5 plus is problematic. Water cannot. Instead, the ion react immediately. Oxospecies. That's how they form oxospecies. Mm-hmm. What's the difference between stable hydrated? Could you? Yo, op op pop 6991 69. What's up? What does this emoji you send? It's like let me see if I could find that one. Face green smiling. Okay. No, that's what written here. Shit. Uh, should I do it though? No. Stable hydrated aqueous oxo species. Stable hydrated ion. This is when metal ion is simply surrounded by water molecules. Oh, okay. That's the difference. Okay. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. So Z squared by R. Is there a name for this ratio though? No. But if the ratio is higher than 0.22, then they can exist in water. Okay, okay. From that, it means sample question. Oh. Classify cations and describe reaction with water. U2 plus, B3 plus, W plus. Estimate XP using neighboring elements and trends. XP SM 1.17. Sample question. Alpha 8201. Hi. Hello, Alpha 8201. What's up? Appreciate you for checking out the stream. How you doing, Alpha 8201? Hi. I apologize. There's a slight latency issue with the YouTube stream, so when I say hello, you're gonna hear it maybe 10 seconds later. When I said 10 seconds before, you're gonna hear that 10 seconds 10 seconds later. First time. Oh, welcome. Welcome, Alex. No, Alpha 8201. Bring it in. Respect for checking out the stream. What made you click on the stream though? Was it chemistry? Was it Undertale? Thumbs up. Water molecules. Random. Okay. Well, hey. Do you play video games, Alpha 8201? YouTube this. It's like it's from the table, right? It's nah. Oh, you don't play video games. Okay. I'm guessing you're an adult. I mean, come on, kids don't. That was a bad assumption. It does not mean all kids play video games, right? Yeah. So 19. Oh, okay. I mean, it does not mean adults don't play video games, but okay, I respect that. What do you do, bro? You in university? You're looking to join university? EU2 plus. That's like lanthanides. B3 plus. What's a B3 plus? Boron. No. Yeah, boron. Am I stupid? Yeah, boron. Got 12th. Oh, you're in 12th. Okay, okay, okay. 12th standard. You're gonna be having your exams in about next month, right? Or at the end of this month. I don't know. I don't remember. That's for CBSE. Are you studying CBSE? Are you in the I don't know if I'm asking too many questions, but it's a smiling emoji. Are you in the Indian education system? I don't know if I'm asking too many questions. Were you? I don't want to say yes. Okay. State, CBSE, ICSE. Which would it be? Which would it be? Would it be? Would it be? State. Interesting. Which state though? Is it would that be too personal? If it is, don't answer, okay? Classify using charge, size, charge density, predict acidity, then describe behavior in water. U2 plus. But when does the exam start for you? When is the 12th exam? U2 plus nitrogen element European is equals to large ionic radius, low electronegativity, small z squared by r, classification, feebly acidic. March 6th. Okay. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay. Did you, your state, I don't know if I'm asking too many questions. Like, did you take bio, math, or economics? I mean, you have a lot of options, right? Do you know which did you take? It's 2:50, yo. I forgot about the time difference, yeah? I think you should go to sleep, bro. Computer science. Oh, computer science. Cool. That's cool. Large ionic sign. Computer science. Are you into AI stuff? Low electronegativity, small z squared by r, classification, feebly acidic reaction with water, very weak hydrolysis, practically behaves almost like a natural salt in water. Yeah. What did I ask for that? Yeah. Oh, dude, my memory is so bad. What did I ask? AI. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. I mean, AI is the future, right? A lot of people say, "Oh, I need the AI bubble to pop." I understand the frustration, but don't you want advancement? I think people want advancement, right? So yeah, very weak hydrolysis. B. So B is like P block, right? I'll check you tomorrow. Hey yo, the fact that you came to the stream, I appreciate that. And good luck on the exams, though. Mm, you know what you get away. so, so B is in the P block. Yeah. So it's a very high, very small radius because it's in the P block. Yeah, it's on the other side of the periodic table, right? What would the W6? W W's W's. Where's W? Yep, there we go. It's on D block. D block. What? What? So these both of these have same z squared by r ratio. Is that what it is? I just realized that. What? Ow. 102 subs. Oh, I feel good. 100 people, 100 people. I just gotta clock that in. 100. So W6 plus is gonna form oxo acids. Of course, it's fucking. It lost all the electrons. What you saying, bro? That's a sad element. That's a sad element. W plus 6 plus. I'll stop today's stream within 8 minutes because it's getting pretty dark. I mean, it's past 10. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes. 18 minutes. Hey Siri, set it. Hey Siri, set a timer for 8 minutes. Hydration calculation. What? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, I'ma end the stream, gang. We're gonna wake up tomorrow early morning. Start. I need to start this engine, bro. I need to start this engine up here. This is still in the hybrid mode or some shit. Gotta focus. Peace out, you two.